Blueberries.
Antioxidants.
Blueberries.
Antioxidants.
Salmon.
Omega-3.
Salmon.
Omega-3.
Avocado.
Healthy fats.
Avocado.
Healthy fats.
Spinach.
Iron.
Spinach.
Iron.
Kale.
Vitamin K.
Kale.
Vitamin K.
Broccoli.
Vitamin C.
Broccoli.
Vitamin C.
Chia seeds.
Omega-3.
Chia seeds.
Omega-3.
Flax seeds.
Fiber.
Flax seeds.
Fiber.
Almonds.
Vitamin E.
Almonds.
Vitamin E.
Walnuts.
Omega-3.
Walnuts.
Omega-3.
Quinoa.
Protein.
Quinoa.
Protein.
Oats.
Fiber.
Oats.
Fiber.
Sweet potato.
Vitamin A.
Sweet potato.
Vitamin A.
Carrots.
Vitamin A.
Carrots.
Vitamin A.
Tomatoes.
Lycopene.
Tomatoes.
Lycopene.
Garlic.
Allicin.
Garlic.
Allicin.
Ginger.
Anti-inflammatory compounds.
Ginger.
Anti-inflammatory compounds.
Turmeric.
Curcumin.
Turmeric.
Curcumin.
Green tea.
Antioxidants.
Green tea.
Antioxidants.
Dark chocolate.
Antioxidants.
Dark chocolate.
Antioxidants.
Yogurt.
Probiotics.
Yogurt.
probiotics,
eggs,
protein,
eggs,
protein,
lentils,
protein,
lentils,
protein,
beans,
fiber,
beans,
fiber,
beetroot,
nitrates,
beetroot,
nitrates,
oranges,
vitamin C,
oranges,
vitamin C,
lemons,
vitamin C,
lemons,
vitamin C,
papaya,
vitamin A,
papaya,
vitamin A,
mango,
vitamin A,
mango,
vitamin A,
pineapple,
vitamin C,
pineapple,
vitamin C,
coconut oil,
healthy fats,
coconut oil,
healthy fats,
olive oil,
healthy fats,
olive oil,
healthy fats,
pumpkin seeds,
magnesium,
pumpkin seeds,
magnesium,
sunflower seeds,
vitamin E,
sunflower seeds,
vitamin E,
hemp seeds,
protein,
hemp seeds,
protein,
seaweed,
iodine,
seaweed,
iodine,
mushrooms,
vitamin D,
mushrooms,
vitamin D,
apples,
fiber,
apples,
fiber,
bananas,
potassium,
bananas,
potassium,
pomegranate,
antioxidants,
pomegranate,
antioxidants.
Great job! You have learned different superfoods and their nutrients. Watch again and repeat the words to practice your pronunciation. Try to remember the food and say the nutrient out loud. Healthy food and strong vocabulary go together. See you in the next lesson.